Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to Freelancer, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. So if you do not have an account, click on the sign up at the bottom of the screen. After that, you can continue with Facebook, or you have to give your email address and the password, and after that you have to agree to the freelancer user agreement and the privacy policy. And after that, click on the join freelancer, and then you have to choose a username. And it's important that the username cannot be changed once chosen, sorry. After that, click on the next. So username must be between 3 and 16 characters long and composed of only numbers and letters starting with a letter. Alright, after that, select an account type. Don't worry, this can be changed later. So I want to work or I want to hire. I'm going to click on the I want to work. So email opt-in. Would you like to receive marketing promotions, official offers, and so on? You can unsubscribe anytime. So if you want that, click on the yes, I want to receive emails. And after that, the account type. Do you intend to use Freelancer for personal use? Using Freelancer for cases other than business may be subject to additional VAT. Okay, so yes, I'm using Freelancer for personal use. And after that, click on the sign up. And after that, you have to give some information about yourself, like your skills. You have to select a category, or you can search a skill as well. Let's choose one of them, like website IT software. And after that, you can see subcategories and you can add those skills as well. I'm going back and I'm going to select the translation and language. No, not this one, sorry. I wanted education. Okay, and after that, English teaching, English tutoring, video gaming, and so on. So I've selected some of the subcategories, and after that, click on the next. After that, link your account. Save time filling out your profile and build trust by linking your account. You can link to your account to Facebook or LinkedIn. I'm going to skip now. And how would you like to fill out your profile? Upload your LinkedIn profile, upload your resume, or fill out manually. And you can skip this as well. And after that, what is your name? Please use your real name as this will be required for identity verification. So I just gave my full name. And after that, tell us a bit about yourself. Fill out your profile for clients to better understand your services. What do you do? Write a one-line description about yourself, and after that you can describe yourself, like your top skills, strengths, and experiences, and so on. After that, you have to give languages. I mean, what languages do you speak? We will use this to help mature with employers who are fluent in these languages. I'm going to give English and no, Hungarian. After that, where are you located? Please use your real address, as this will be used for identity verification. Only your city and country will be shown publicly. After that, you have to verify your email address, and when you are done, then you have to verify your payment method. Your payment method is used to verify your identity and helps build trust. So you can do that, or you can skip this step. And after that you can get plus membership. So freelancers with plus memberships are 227% more likely to win projects. So if you want that, you can buy this membership. If you do not want that, click on the skip. And then you are all set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.